All stoves' power should be removed from the unit prior to service work. The burn pot on the HP21 is made of cast iron. You want to keep all of the holes free and clear of debris. This is your ignition hole right here, and this needs to fit over this pipe in order for it to ignite properly. There is also a little metal square plinth or rectangle plinth on top of the burn pot cradle, and in order for this to ignite properly, it has to be seated past that. If it is up on it, it's probably not going to ignite for you. You'll know that it is married up to the ignition cradle when you can slide it back and it falls into place. Replacement of this burn pot, you would want to replace this when any of the metal starts to change shape and you can no longer seat it square and get it past the plinth. A good marker of when it's time to think about replacement: when this burn pot is showing any mahogany color or your bottom holes are developing cracks, that means that the metal is actually starting to change shape. And when that happens, ignition will be very difficult, and you may start accumulating a lot of clinkers in the bottom of the burn pot. Because it's cast iron, it gets really hot, and your coals and your ash tend to stick to it really well. You need to scrape it on a regular basis to maximize the life of this burn pot. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe our channel. You can also search our playlist, and all links to all parts used in this video are searchable in the descriptions.